questions on speed, distance and time. Two children walk from the same place at a speed of 4 km per hour and 4.5 km per hour respectively. We will assume these children as A and B. How many kilometers are they apart after the end of 3.5 hours if they walk in first same direction and second opposite direction? So there are two subparts of this question. First we will solve the first subpart, and here we have an illustration. Both children children A and B start from point C, let's say, and end up at point A dash and B dash respectively. So what can you infer from the given data? Yes, you are correct. We can infer that the speed of B is 4.5 km per hour as he has travelled a longer distance. In this question, we are given speed and time. The time taken is same for both the children and the speed is different. So we will calculate it accordingly. First we will calculate for A. Given that the speed of A is, here it is given 4 kilometers per hour, and time taken by A, yes, for both of the children the time taken is 3.5 hours. So it is 3.5 hours. Now to calculate the distance, as distance equals speed into time, I am just writing down the formula. Therefore, distance in this case is equal to 4 kilometers per hour into 3.5 hours. Now hours will cancel out and we get 4 km into 3.5. Isn't it correct? Yes. So that is 14 kilometers. Therefore, distance travelled by A equals 14 kilometers. Now we will note this down. 14 kilometers. And now we will calculate for B, the same data, but it is for B. Most of the data is the same. Now we will change the values. For B, given that speed of B equals 4 kilometers per hour, sorry, it is 4.5 in this case, 4.5 kilometers per hour, and time taken by B is same, 3.5 hours. Distance equals speed into time, so here instead of 4 we have 4.5 kilometers and into 3.5 hours. Yes, you can calculate, but wait, here we have a very simple technique. You can easily see that the amount by which it is more is simply 4.5 kilometers into 3.5 minus 4 kilometers into 3.5. So if it is an MCQ based question and the question is asked, here see how many kilometers are they apart. So you need not find again the distance and then subtract. We can easily have a calculation 3.5 and by distribution of multiplication over addition we get 4.5 minus 4 kilometers. So we get 3.5 into 0.5 kilometers or 1.75 kilometers. Therefore, as the difference is only asked, we can write 1.75 kilometers. But now, if you also have to find that how much distance does B travel, then it is 15.75 kilometers. Why? Because we add 1.75 to 14 kilometers. Wasn't that easy? Wasn't that interesting? Yes. Now we have another question. The question is the same, but instead of starting from the the right side, they start from the center. B goes in right direction to reach point B dash, and A goes to left direction to reach point A dash. Now, instead of calculating again, if it is a long answer, we definitely have to calculate. But here, only for the purpose of obtaining an answer, we get from this data that B travels a distance of 15.75 kilometers in 3.5 hours at a speed of 4.5 kilometers per hour, and A travels a distance of 14 kilometers at the speed of 4 kilometers per hour in 3.5 hours. So here we can mention the data. It is 15.75 kilometers and 14 kilometers. So the length of line segment AB. Why? Yes, because it is the total distance traveled by A and B together is equal to length of AC plus length of BC, which is equal to 14 kilometers plus 15.75 kilometers or 29.75 kilometers. So wasn't that interesting? Yes, so we get both of the answers. 29.75 kilometers. So for the first question we have the answer 1.75 kilometers, and for the second 29.75 kilometers. Wasn't that easy and interesting? Thank you. Bye. We will meet in many other